Okay, morning guys. Day 2 of the GIANG loop. Welcome back to our channel. Oh my god, this has been like amazing. I would highly recommend, if anyone is in Vietnam or is thinking about going to Vietnam, I highly recommend making this a priority to do, because it has been one of my highlights of my entire traveling, not to mind Vietnam. I'm so glad I came back. We're staying in it's like a motel situation. I'm staying with a girl from the Netherlands, double bed each, little bathroom. The shower was probably the nicest thing that I ever experienced yesterday after the day driving. This is just an example of the size of the day bag that I would recommend if you're thinking of doing Sapa and Ha Giang. Honestly, I would actually recommend bringing a bag this kind of size, because a lot of people just brought like a backpack and they're wearing like the same clothes over and over again, which is perfect. But I brought a little bit of bigger bag, so it sits at the back behind me, and it means I actually have like a backrest, like a seat rest on the bike, because my bag is like proper strapped down, like it cannot come off. So it's actually really handy, because if ever I get a little bit sleepy on the bike, I can kind of lean my back like a little bit. Like obviously now I wouldn't be leaning up against it or like letting go or anything. Yeah, it does take a little bit of pressure off your back. Now what I learned yesterday is that I didn't pack my bag properly. There was something sticking into my back the whole time yesterday. So I need to repack and put my cozy blankie at the top of the bag so that it's up against my back. Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much. See you later. I think the rain had, yeah, because like, I think when it rained last night, it like, I don't know, all the fog just is gone. It's so clear, like we couldn't see half this yesterday. Yeah. Lord knows why I thought it was a good idea not to go to the ATM before I came out here. I'm after walking for the last like 5 minutes. It says on the Google Maps like that there's ATMs all over the place. But for example, like this is one of the ATMs. So like Google Maps does not exist out here.
Oh yeah.
1,000. I don't even know what 1,000 is in euro.
It's like,
Is that a cent?
it is. That
Yeah,
would be
3 cents?
5 US cents.
5 cents. God. I mean, I don't really know what they are at home. Are they like 20 cents at home? So we've just arrived at our homestay. Here it is. It's so cute. It's like nestled in just the middle of this tiny little village. We are just on the way to go for a swim in a waterfall, so I literally have my swimming togs on underneath my jumper and my shorts. Obviously, why would you walk to a waterfall when you can get your little scooter? So your man is just bringing us on his little scooter and we're all going to head down. I hope it's warm. GIANG has been so gorgeous. The loop is like so gorgeous, and we're also like meeting so many people like along the way as well. We left as like a group of like, we'll say 15 people, but like there's so much more. There's kind of people like coming and going from the group as we do our tour, but there's still the main bulk of us who are doing the same tour. But anyway, yeah, heading to the waterfall. This is the situation. It's hilarious. I'll show you the waterfall when we get there. Ah! very bad road, isn't it? Not too sure if we were supposed to come down this far on the bikes. Oh yeah. Cross over the no entry sign. Stunning. Do you think we stop here? No, drive on. Oh yeah, look. Like, look at the ground.
Do we stay here?
Keep going? Okay. Braver man than me. I would have stopped a long time ago. Traffic jam. Good driving, lads.
Yeah.
I actually did not think we would drive that far down. I kept being like, yeah, we're getting off now, yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's arriving with such shock on their faces. How did you find it? At least you have a helmet on.
Oh yeah.
He gave me the helmet and then I said, sorry, he didn't have one on.
Yeah. I assumed it was just going to be around the corner when we didn't have helmets on. I think we're walking, yeah. Oh.
Really? Okay.
My guy has a brand new bike because the day that I came here, all the other drivers were like checking out the bike and they were like, oh, like looking at the specs and looking at the rims and all this crack. The path, as you can see, is really dodgy, so he's making me walk the last bit, which, do you know what, I don't think is a bad compromise considering he's brought me all this way. The pickaxes intimidate me so much, it like freaks me out. So gorgeous here though, like so green.